Are you looking to take your Power Platform skills to the next level? Well, there's only one conference that you need to attend in 2025, and it's right here in Las Vegas.
And it's the Power Platform Community Conference that Vlad and myself will be there for a phenomenal workshop, right?
Yes, our workshop is on Microsoft Power Automate. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know, starting from the fundamentals on how to get started from a template, the different types of triggers, how to add logic and error handling to your flows.
And you did forget the most important side of the story. It's all about AI infusion.
Let's be honest, in 2025, if you're not adding AI to your business processes, you're falling behind. So like Gokan said, we are going to cover everything from the AI Builder to the brand new ways of using GPTs inside Power Automate. So Gokan, what do they need to do?
They need to register as soon as possible with the following code.
You can use the code MVPVLAD to save $100 off your conference registration. So we hope to see you in Las Vegas this October.